real quick. PDFTK Builder Portable, Foxit Reader, and Photoshop. 3. That's all you need. In a nutshell, I really only use 3 programs. One, main part of Photoshop. It is by far one of the most useful programs that I have been able to use today. So right now what we're going through and what you're seeing is my template for my PhotoBook with Photoshop. Photoshop is all you need, all you need, all you need as to making the book. If it comes to, wanting to look at your PDF as a combined document, because you're going to have to put this whole thing together through a different program called PDFTK Builder. Portable version, I don't like the regular one, and I don't think anyone else does. PDFTK Builder is a great little interface that helps you put together titles, books into one single PDF file. And it's the only free thing that I've been able to find on the internet. Adobe wants you to pay like $12, but when you can find it for free, you might as well. We'll maybe make another series with some type of free program, since I'll be making some templates that are pretty easy to change around. As to saving them, I don't know, but we'll get around to that. So these were the programs that I used. One other one that I didn't go through yet was Foxit Reader. Foxit Reader basically is a free PDF reader. They have premium versions you can purchase, but it is not a requirement. That's what I use to check out my Manuscript upload. That is that. Beyond that, what are we doing next? Take our photos.